Why do 75% of new investors struggle to pick the right mutual fund? Let's make it simple. First, define your financial goals. Are you saving for a house? Or planning for retirement? This helps you choose a fund that matches your timeline. Next, assess your risk tolerance. How much risk can you handle? If market ups and downs make you nervous, opt for a conservative fund. If you're okay with more risk for higher returns, go for aggressive funds. Research fund performance? Look at the fund's history. But remember, past performance isn't a guarantee of future returns. Check out the fund manager's track record too. Lastly, diversify. Don't put all your money in one fund. Spread it across different types, like equity, debt, and balanced funds. This reduces risk and increases potential for returns. So, to recap, define your goals. Assess risk, research performance, and diversify. Follow these steps and you'll be a pro at picking mutual funds in no time.